All right, what's going on, guys? Like I said, we're coming out here to Tybee Beach. We're out here right now. Water feels good. It's actually pretty warm. It's not really cold. But we're out here on the beach, checking everything out down here at Tybee, just east of Savannah, Georgia. Checking out the beach and everything like that. We'll probably hit the boardwalk. Right now, ain't too much going on. There's a lot of people down there by the pier. I head back down that way on my way out, but I was just trying to come around here to see if I can record some video, even though it's really windy. But since I'm out here in the water, I did not want to bring my microphone because I didn't want my microphone to get messed up with this salt water. The camera is waterproof. It does okay with the water, but I wasn't going to bring the mic out here and take a chance on the mic getting messed up. So I don't know how good this audio is going to be, but we're going to find out once I upload it to my computer to see if it came out pretty good. But right now, this is what it looked like after the hurricane. Not really nothing messed up out here on the beach as far as the beach goes. The water's not all the way in yet. It's around 10 or 11. So far, so good. I'm gonna keep walking. I'm gonna hit back with y'all. Alright guys, I'm about to bring this beach adventure to an end. I'm hungry now. I've been going since 7 in the morning, so it's time to eat. This is Tybee Beach. Quick look. We're about to head out and grab something to eat, so catch y'all on the next one. Boom.